How to change your profile name in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your profile name. First of all, open the application. Now here on the top, you can see your profile picture. Simply tap on your profile picture. Now here on the bottom, tap on manage account. So these are the settings available. Now on the top, you'll be able to see edit name. Simply tap on edit name. So this is the section where you can edit your name. So you can select any of the name that you want to keep. So here I'm tapping on one, and at last tap on this done button on the top. So it has been set. Now further, you'll be able to see the same name in your account. Now this will be the same name forever until you change it again. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.